Hi there, Jasper from iFootage here to share with you today why the iFootage Seastars Quick Release System is the only way to sway your rig. So what exactly are the Seastars and what do they do? These cleverly designed and engineered interlocking plates allow you to move your rig from one support to another in just seconds, saving you both time and repetitive strain injury. Today I want to tell you my top 6 reasons why you should always have Seastars in your kit bag. So number 1, very simply, they're compact, lightweight, incredibly strong, and very portable. Number 2, they remove the stress of constantly unscrewing and screwing your camera to different supports. They're simple and very easy to use. Just twist and lock. This is particularly handy if you're working on a fast-paced set or an event and you have to change from a tripod to a monopod, or in between all that, attach a slider. Number 3, the multi-pin locking system ensures that your camera and rig is secure and there's absolutely no wiggle room. Just listen to that reassuring click. Number 4, Seastars provide total compatibility with your existing kit and accessories, and they incorporate this rather cunning 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch screw adapter. Always one of my favourite features of iFootage gear. Number 5, they support a payload of up to 9 kilograms. That's definitely big enough for most rigs. Number 6, finally, they are iFootage and therefore provide you with the excellent design and build quality that you've come to expect. I've been Jasper from iFootage and this has been 6 good reasons to use the Seastars Quick Release System. Let us know in the comments below if you've used Seastars before, if they've saved you plenty of time on sets, or there's something that you could definitely use in your kit bag. If you enjoyed today's video, why not sign up to our email newsletter? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure that you're up to date with all the latest iFootage content. Thanks again for watching and we'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.